And here's Kyle Walker, whose connection with the flying saucers goes back to a new game he's invented. Now, Mr. Walker, tell us how your game has anything to do with those saucers.
Well, my game is called Spin Sailor. It's played with lightweight aluminum discs. A few weeks ago, I decided that the game needed some publicity, so I turned over several hundred special duplicates of the discs to an advertising man who flies his own plane. I told him to drop them into the air over the Midwest, the Pacific Coast, and Canada between June the 20th and July the 4th.
But what's your advertising stunt got to do with the flying saucers?
Don't you see? Some of the gadgets are 2 feet in diameter, made of rubber, inflated with gas and covered with luminous paint. After starting to spin around in the air, they may go as far as 1,000 miles. And they would look very much as those flying saucers have been described. I'll admit I can't prove that the saucers are my gadget swishing around through space, but they may be.